So to my co-seniors, para maprotektahan ang inyong pera, ang inyong financial status, ano ang mga hindi nyo dapat pag-aksayahan ng pera o bilhin, pangalagaan natin ang ating pera. Huwag ka nang bumili ng brand new car. Gamitin mo na lang ang used car with quality na alam mong maayos ang takbo. Huwag ka nang bumili ng expensive clothing. Don't buy fashion trends. Just wear simple clothes that is comfortable. So don't subscribe. Cancel your unnecessary subscriptions. Medyo expensive siya. Check your present subscriptions and membership. And number 4, avoid buying gadgets, fancy gadgets, tablets, because things that you don't need na itatambak mo lang sa isang tabi. Big money was spent on those gadgets without using them. Okay? And number 5, avoid buying and giving expensive gifts para sa mga mahal natin. We know that they are special, that we want to give them special things, pero we could just buy simple, spend moments with them, bond with them, show love and compassion without buying expensive gifts. Mas matatandaan po nila yon. And then, avoid buying expensive antiques, home decors, home furnishings, furnitures, and doing unnecessary renovations. It's your home. Stay comfortable in your own home, but do the necessary important repairs kung kinakailangan. And then, avoid buying expensive health supplements. Minsan hindi na natin siya need. Minsan mas better if we just eat healthy food, fresh fruits, vegetables, fresh fruit juices. As we age, so we need more natural healthy food, not the health supplements. Okay? So I hope mapoprotektahan natin ang ating pera. Let's keep our money for